Hey guys, you ever wonder exactly how we install booster pumps the professional way? Check it out. We're installing one today by our boys at AQUASTRONG. That's right. We're going to be putting in this booster pump today. We're going to be replacing a Hayward with this bad boy right here. So, coming up, check it out. Here we go. Hey guys, Larry Pool Guy here, coming at you strong with our buddies over at AQUASTRONG. We're going to be unboxing their pool cleaner booster pump, part number PBP075. That's right, this sucker's heavy. This is no lightweight pump, guys. This is a pretty heavy duty pump. We got an instruction manual, we got a wiring harness. Okay, that's something I didn't expect. Quick connects, more than needed. All right, we got some bonding, we got some tape, we got some Teflon, we got a conduit. Let's bust this up. Oh, look at her. She looks so pretty. Looks so pretty. Let's pick her up. Oh, she's real heavy. This is a good one. So let's, come on, guys. Take some of this. Let's go install this. Come on. Try people, look at this. Got a wiring diagram for those who don't know how to wire, but please use a licensed electrician to do all your connections. But look at this, super easy. You've got tech support QR code right there on the pump. Look at this bad boy. Like I said, it's heavy. It's a heavy duty pump, so we're gonna put it in and see how she works. We'll let you know.
Okay.
Tell me about that electrical connection.
We're gonna open up the back here.
Okay.
Get into it.
All right.
And then it's just a conduit connection, and put it through your conduit. Hook it up to the 240.
Okay. Looks like it's got a much better compartment for electrical than that last pump.
Yeah. It was kind of a pain in the butt to take off the back of that last one.
Okay, okay, so let's look at the inside of this one. Okay, plenty of room to work.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, plenty of room to work. That's good.
Put it in.
What else we got in the box, people? Like we got some hose here. This is reinforced hose. Let's look down here. You see that? Yep, that's not going to split. It's not going to bust open. This is high quality hose here. So let's get this sucker installed. So we're doing this install. It's raining. It's cloudy. It's murky. It's yucky outside, but at least it's not hot. So we'll take it. So we're gonna get this sucker fired up. Get this Polaris running. This pump's gonna be pushing a Polaris 280, so we're gonna watch it run as soon as we get this sucker plumbed in with the hose. So let's take a look at the pool real quick. Okay, so there's our Polaris 280. The hose itself here may be a little too long, may have to trim that back, but this is our pool we're working with. Lots of leaves, lots of trees. Yep. And we need that Polaris real bad. We need that booster pump to move the Polaris for us. So that's what we're here for. Back in the van, pumps installed. It was super easy. The electrical was quite impressive. The way the box is designed, there's extra room for the wires. How they kind of like, they want to like stick out. So you know, I don't know. The design is excellent. It install was great. Hoses super reinforced. They were hard to cut. Thank you, but you know, I know it's got to be that way. So great hoses, good electrical compartment, solid pump, super heavy. So overall, thumbs up. We're gonna see how it works. It's pushing the Polaris really nice. I'm impressed so far. So AQUASTRONG, thank you so much. AQUASTRONG.
Subscribe to my channel.